What's the most important thing missing from your backyard? If you think it's just a patch of greenery, think again. What if I told you that your backyard could be transformed into a thriving pharmacy full of nature's most powerful remedies? Welcome to Wellness Fuel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful way to take control of your health, right from your own backyard. Imagine having a personal pharmacy of medicinal herbs at your fingertips. That's exactly what a medicinal garden kit offers. Let's explore how you can cultivate your very own natural remedy garden, save money, and boost your wellness. To help you out, we have left the official link of the Medicinal Garden Kit in the description of this video. Be sure to check that out once you guys are done with watching this video. We also have some very important alerts for you in the end of the video, so please watch this video till the end. Now let's dive straight into a truly life-changing product that could make that happen for you, the Medicinal Garden Kit, created by the incredible Nicole Apelian. Nicole Apelian is not just an herbalist. She's a mother, a survival skills instructor, and a biologist with a degree from McGill University. Her journey into the world of herbal medicine began in one of the most ancient cultures on Earth, the San Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert. Here, Nicole learned from people who've thrived for generations, living off the land for food and medicine, without ever needing a pill or stepping into a hospital. But Nicole's story is more than just a tale of learning. At 29, she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, a painful, incurable autoimmune condition that left her bound to a wheelchair. The treatments offered by Western medicine brought little relief, but Nicole didn't give up. She turned to the natural remedies she had learned to grow in her own backyard. Remarkably, these remedies have allowed her to manage her MS for over 20 years, transforming her life from agony to vitality. So much so that in 2015, she survived 57 days alone in the wild on the History Channel's show. Now Nicole has a thriving small backyard pharmacy where she turns for everything, from pain relief to cold remedies, and she hasn't stepped foot in a pharmacy for years. This is the power she wants to share with you through the Medicinal Garden Kit, a collection of seeds for 10 medicinal plants that can turn your backyard into your very own source of natural healing. This is the power she wants to share with you through the Medicinal Garden Kit, a collection of seeds for 10 medicinal plants that can turn your backyard into your very own source of natural healing. Let me give you a sneak peek into the powerful plants you'll be able to grow with your Medicinal Garden Kit. Chicory is not just a pretty flower, it's a natural painkiller. Imagine having this powerful plant right at your fingertips whenever you need relief. Yarrow has been used for centuries to heal wounds. Keep this in your garden, and you'll have nature's bandage always within reach. Struggling with sleep? California poppy is your answer. This plant offers natural, gentle sedation without the grogginess of pills. Marshmallow isn't just for roasting, it's a powerful plant that supports a healthy digestive system, soothing and healing from the inside out. Chamomile is more than a calming tea. It's nature's antibiotic, helping your body fight off infections the natural way. Evening primrose is your go-to for skin and nerve issues. This plant helps soothe and repair, giving you relief and rejuvenation. Lavender does more than just smell good. It's a potent anti-inflammatory that can help reduce pain and swelling naturally. Echinacea is one of the most powerful plants for boosting your immune system. Having this in your garden means you're always prepared to fight off illness. Calendula is a resilient herb that supports you during tough times, helping with everything from skin conditions to internal inflammation. Feverfew is nature's answer to fevers and migraines, offering relief without the side effects of over-the-counter pills. Inside your Medicinal Garden Kit, you'll find 10 packets of high-quality, non-GMO seeds, totaling 4,818 seeds, all packaged right here in the US. Even if you've never planted anything before, this kit makes it easy. Plus, you'll receive a free copy of the Herbal Medicinal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies, which will teach you how to turn these plants into tinctures, ointments, salves, and more. And there's more. When you order today, you'll also receive 2 additional gifts, each worth $29. The first is Healing Yourself at Home with Household Items, a guide to using what's already in your home for healing. The second is Wild Edible and Medicinal Herbs you can forage or find around the house, revealing the hidden medicinal power in plants you might already have around you. We're so confident that this kit will change your life that it comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. But I doubt you'll ever want a refund because the value these plants will bring to your life will far exceed the cost of this kit. Imagine saving money on doctor visits and medications simply by turning to your backyard. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to empower yourself and your family. Click the link below to get your Medicinal Garden Kit, risk-free, from the official website today. Transform your backyard and take your health into your own hands with the Medicinal Garden Kit from Nicole Apelian. Your journey to natural health begins now. Fuel your wellness, fuel your health. See you in the next video.